My name is André Lakehead. I am an engineering graduate student working with Dr. Chris Murray, an associate professor in the departments of Physics and Sustainability Sciences at Lakehead University. Our story started with a group of Lakehead and NOSM students that aimed to manufacture and redistribute PPE as a stopgap solution to fill shortages throughout Northern Ontario. The initiative grew into a network of students, professors, doctors, staff, and industrial partners, selflessly working towards keeping people safe now and into the future. Volunteers put their lives on hold to develop 3D printed face masks, make test equipment from aquarium parts and hot glue, exchange filters with doctors on roadsides, and worked with a manufacturer who risked everything to bring Ontario the ability to control its own supply of PPE. We hope our eventual successes will lead to solutions that will alleviate adversities posed by COVID-19 and future pandemics.